guys, today like there's a bird in our house and like it laid eggs.
2 eggs and one broke because I don't know why, and another one is still here. So let's see it.
But the mother bird
Didn't come back.
it died.
Yeah, and eggs like have baby. So let's look.
So
I
we're
put it
trying to
here.
Make it hatch. See?
It's like
Hot.
wait. Can you hold the camera? I will let them see. Wait. It's so hot and warm. And there's like
Yolk.
yolk and a
I
egg
think already.
here.
See? Do you see the red spot?
It's
That's the
getting
egg.
bigger, I think.
That's the bird.
So light.
Yeah. Just put it back in. It might crack. So bye.
If it has, we will make another video.
Bye.
Bye, guys.